G'day farmers, it's Kent Patterson from Bute Discs. We're just driving alongside the air seeder bar here. It's going through the stubble perfectly without any single blocks. This stubble was originally 13 inches high, 6 tonne a hectare, and we turbine blade it with the Bute turbine blade back on February the 1st when we had that huge demonstration where over 150 farmers turned out. So we're back here on the 9th of May whilst James is seeding the paddock to show you how much that stubble has broken down in that period of time. Now since that time, when the stubble's been down since February the 1st, we've also acted as a blanket between the sun and the ground, keeping the moisture in the soil. And even though we didn't move any soil when we were turbining it, the blades obviously were making contact with the ground, and we germinated self-sown wheat, which James has already sprayed prior to bringing in the air seeder bar. So not only have we saved James moisture, broken down all this stubble and putting it back into the ground, building up the humus in the soil, we also germinated self-sown wheat so James could germinate more weed seeds per square metre prior to planting. So coming out here on the 9th of May, that stubble has broken down beautifully, and this air seeder bar is going through without any issues at all. The turbine blade is fitted to the Bute 625 hooks. Also, of course, we can fit the cutting discs or the standard discs when you do want that work soil. But the turbine blade is used over summer. If you hit it the first time straight after harvest, go away on your holiday and come back in heavy stubbles, you may have to hit twice. This stubble is now working for you, putting money back into the ground for you. And we'll also have a report after this wheat comes up, and James will be sending pictures throughout the growing season. So this is coming through the air seeder evenly, perfectly, and once again this is going to settle down after seeding and create that nice beautiful blanket of soil that James will be able to grow a beautiful crop on. So this is the turbine blade from Bute Discs. It's patented by Bute, solely by Bute, and we can retrofit to existing bars, and of course you can now order the Bute frames with the Bute discs on it as well. So if you're looking forward to the 24-25 season, and of course we're all looking forward to having huge crops and huge stubble, as you can see driving across it now, the straw is coming out evenly. It's not coming out in big clumps or anything like that. It's the perfect tool for putting all your stubble back into your ground. We've been doing this for 25 years, and every innovation that we come up with, we protect ourselves by patenting it, but it's available to every farmer in the world. So get onto the Bute turbine blade. You'll see me at the field days coming up, but it's time to order the Bute turbine blade now, of course. So we're in preparation for the 2024-25 season, and we're actually doing a special deal. So give Kent Patterson a call on 0429 178, and as you can see, just coming across this paddock, that straw that's been turbined. See how flat that is? That actually hasn't drifted since February through to May, which it won't drift now, of course, from now on, but it's evenly dispersed, and that's the blanket that I've been saying about, how we're creating a blanket between the sun and the soil, and of course we want to hold any subsoil moisture in. As you can see, it's coming into the air seeder nice and even. It's coming out of the air seeder nice and even. And we'll slowly catch up to the air seeder here. But it's the Turbine Blade, guys. It's an addition to the dogleg harrow that we've been selling since 1995. But now we've put it into the disc chain. So it's the first no-till disc chain on the market in the world, exclusive to Bute discs. And let's just travel up behind the air seeder now.